All right, and what is your first name, sir?
Randall Denny,
Randall. Where are you from? What city?
Sarnia.
Excellent. What kind of problems were you having before you came to see us?
I had knee problems.
Knee problems. And how bad was it?
Severe enough that was painful.
Pretty
Really
bad?
pretty
Affecting
bad.
you on a daily basis?
On a daily basis, I mean, every day was a chore.
What about stairs, stuff like that? You ever
Stairs,
had
going
time?
up the stairs was difficult. Going down the stairs, not so bad, but going up the stairs, very difficult.
Okay. And let's see now, you've had this treatment that was done, what, 5 weeks ago?
5
4
weeks ago. 5 weeks ago.
What kind of changes have you noticed?
I noticed as soon as the injection came, that it wasn't immediate, but I could feel some relief, put it that way. The next day was awesome.
Okay. Now, what kind of percentage improvement have you had so far?
I would say my left knee, or my right knee, I should say, was about, I would say about close to 90%.
90% on the left knee.
And my left knee was only about 65% freeze pain.
So 65% on the left knee, 90% roughly on the right knee. It's been
Yes.
about 4 or 5 weeks, and
Yep.
we know we still have months yet for you to continue to heal.
Yeah. And I notice I'm walking on concrete floors. I don't feel the pain.
Wonderful.
And when I said climbing the stairs, I don't feel the pain. And I noticed that I don't try to run, but I try to increase my gait. And I find that it's not hurting at all.
Awesome. That's great news. I appreciate you sharing this with us. Thank you
You're
so
welcome.
much.
Okay, can you tell me your name, please?
Linda Jones,
Linda, where are you from?
Amherstburg, Ontario.
And Linda, tell me now, what kind of problems were you having before you came here for the stem cell therapy?
I had severe pain with arthritis in my knees, everywhere, my arms, my hips, my back, and mostly my knee was why I came, because of the pain that was so bad, giving me trouble walking, sleeping, doing household chores, everything.
Okay, and what were you diagnosed with?
Osteoarthritis.
Okay, and like how bad was it? Was it like, did they call it a certain name or anything, or was it,
Oh, I was bone on bone, he said.
Oh, you were bone on bone?
Yeah.
Okay. And then what was your quality of life then?
Wasn't much, because I couldn't do too much of anything. The pain was so severe that I'd walk a few steps, then I'd have to stop and sit if I had, or else I'd sit on my walker, or if there was a bench nearby or something when I was out shopping and stuff. Wasn't sleeping, so I was being tired all the time.
What kind of sleep were you getting at nighttime? Like how long would it last?
Maybe 3 hours maximum, and then that was interrupted with the pain, also having to toss and turn and relocate to try to get the pain gone.
So life was kind of rough then.
It was hard.
How were you able to, let's say, like do yard work and stuff like that?
I didn't do anything. My sister and her husband always did everything
Oh,
for
they
me.
did. Okay.
My sister even did the house cleaning for me, everything.
Wow. Well, you're lucky to have a sister like
I
that,
am.
that's for sure. And you were taking quite a bit of medication at that time?
Lots of stuff.
Lots of stuff. How was your disposition, would you say? Were you happy? Were you excited to be living?
No, I was depressed. I was on, not just because of this, but I was on antidepressants. I didn't have a social life. I wasn't doing anything, didn't go to movies or anything like that because I just didn't feel like it because of the pain.
Wow. And this has been going on for how long? How many years?
I've had arthritis for 10 plus years.
Okay. Now, you came in here on January 25th of 2018. You received the care. Give me an idea. Has anything changed? And if so,
Everything's
what?
changed. Everything's changed. I'm a new me. First of all, the pain is minimal now. My doctor in March took me off of my fentanyl and my Percocet, which are narcotics. I'm now only taking Motrin. I'm sleeping all night, 6 to 7 to 8 hours even sometimes. I'm shopping and losing weight because I can walk. I've lost 13 pounds since January, which is awesome for me. Both my doctors, my endocrinologist and my family doctor are impressed and excited for me. But the most important thing that I can do, I raked my leaves at my house for the first time in 10 years.
In 10 years?
In 10 years, and my sister and brother-in-law have always done it, and I did it for the first time, and I even surprised myself. And then a neighbor drove by, and she did a Yui with her car because she didn't think it was me, and then she came back to say congratulations to me. So
wow, so the whole neighborhood was aware.
yeah, everybody sees the change because I'm out now, and I'm not in the house all the time, and doing my own everything now.
Fantastic.
Yeah, big difference.
Thank you for sharing that.
You're welcome.